Oh, yeah. Honey.
Yes?
Yeah, honey. Want to see it?
When you said honey, I
It's
said
going to
yes.
come out in a second. Are you ready? Here, let me get my smoker just in case.
Hey, if I gotta run, dog.
Oh, they won't just sting you.
Oh, they won't? They'll sting me and then fucking kiss me after they're
you
done?
might get scared, but they're just going to sting you. Here, Cass, come on, get out of here.
Yeah.
There you go.
We're about to unveil this fucking beehive. Creepy ass motherfuckers.
Okay, you ready?
No.
You're not ready?
I guess so.
You sure? Okay. Here's our cardboard.
Why don't you just pull it open?
Because, you don't want to kill any bees. You don't want to just land it on me?
I want them all dead.
Huh?
I want them dead. Fuck, kill it. Fuck them.
No way.
Why?
There's like a grip of honey back here.
There is?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
There's bees in the other wall too.
On the other side?
Yeah. Oh, a bunch just fell.
Oh, holy
A bunch
shit.
just fell.
Oh my god.
Grab my smoker, Jeff.
Where is it?
Right there.
Where? Oh.
A bunch of honey.
Holy shit. Oh.
Here, don't be scared. The queen's still over here, so look at all that honey. Run in the back of my truck and grab a bucket. There's an empty one.
Honey.
Grab the cooler too.
Yummy, honey. You have any sugar and sweeten that stuff up? No?
Jeff ran. He's scared. Here, you be the videographer. Come video.
Oh, yay. I can get close. Oh, cool.
You're not allergic to bees, are you?
Nope. I'm not allergic to anything. Not that my mom knows of, and not that my dad knows of. Look at all those bees, guys.
Be careful, buddy. Don't step on one. Okay?
I'm not.
Come on, get back. They're getting mad. Don't step on one. Watch out. Did he get you?
No.
Okay, go, 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 go.
What?
Hurry.
I'll scoot back here.
You might have to unplug this light. Dogs, get.
There's a whole bunch of bees, and there's honey.
A whole bunch of honey.
What she said. I mean, what he said. Ooh, I see that honey up close. You guys see that right there? That's honey. There's a couple bees on there, so I don't want to get real close. See that honey, Dad?
Yeah. You got that scraper?
Gotta set it up there. No.
Wait, you're going to scrape the honey off or the bees?
The bees. Or the honey and the bees.
Ooh, yay, honey.
Look for that scraper, Jeff.
What?
I just had it somewhere around here. That scraper. What did I do with it?
This? Dad, this?
No.
Will this work?
No.
Dad, another one? Dad, another one?
That's a shit ton.
There's one right there on the floor, Dad. You gotta go to the floor. can't get up. It's on the floor, they can't get up.
So what? Move.
Can't get
Here.
up.
Video it.
Yay! I did a 50-year again. I have a 50-year again. Dang, that's a big block. I'm sure. Guys, that's a big block of honey with bees. You want honey with an extra side of bees? Okay. The cool thing about this is that's homemade. And so is the smoky thing. There's the smoky. And that's homemade too. All of him.
Hey, this one might work a little better, Don. But they might be able to get out of that fucking...
But that's homemade. That's trash made.
No, you don't want to.
On them. Where's the queen at?
She's up there in that corner, probably.
Suck her up. Now. Look at those bees right there. Oh, snap. You see? Oh, crap. There's a lot right there. There's like a block of them. I think this
Bottom?
one. Yeah, right there. The bottom.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta get closer. See that? See? Do they all get stuck in there? Then you release them?
Yeah.
And at your house? Ow. One just flew at my eye, guys. See that honey? You go and suck up the honey? Oh, look at those bees. All that black stuff is bees. Like, I'm not kidding. All that black stuff is bees. I wish I could YouTube this right now, but I can't. Dad, is this on Facebook?
No.
On just normal camera.
Throw some more kindling in there.
Oh, Dad, you could video this up.
me see
You
that.
could video this up and put it on YouTube.
I don't know, fucking... Nobody can see nothing. You're not even filming nothing.
Yes, I am. Oh. What? What's yours up there?
Yeah, but that's the wall.
You want me to get
That's
closer?
the ground.
You want me to get closer?
Pay attention to what you're doing.
I am. Look.
What are you going to put that in?
A box.
Are you going to take that with you? Fine.
Yeah.
Dang it. Is that like your pay? Is that like your pay? Or we're paying you?
Pretty much.
Wait, are you going to take all of it or some of it?
Won't land it on you if you don't get me.
Are you going to take all of it or just some of it?
That don't
Oh,
just
another-
freak you the fuck out.
Because I really want
All
some.
that's honey and
Wax.
wax and
I can't reach in there and grab it. But I want to, but I can't. I want to, but I can't.
And larva.
no, not on those. Those have a larva. Here, want to try some fresh honey?
No!
For real. It's so good. Try it. Just grab some. No? So good.
I want to try honeycomb.
Oh, let me go get the human.
We need a bucket of water, Jeff.
Look at those bees. Oh, that is bees. And all that up there. Bees. See all those bees down there? Oh, that's are those. See all those things flying by? Those are bees. I wish I could get closer, but I really can't. Or they'll sting me, and I don't want to get stung. And I don't think anybody wants to get stung.
Oh.
I'm going to take all of that or just some of that because I want some. I really want to reach in there and grab some right now.
Damn it.
Ryan,
What?
I really want to reach in there and grab some right now, but
Grab some what?
grab some honey.
Hold on, buddy. Wait.
Oh crap, a bee's stuck. It got honey on it, now it's stuck. It can't fly.
Okay, I gotta go grab my rubber bands, more frames. Right. Rubber bands, more frames.
Crap. Get all that. Look at all that, guys. All that. Look at that. Those are all bees. Those are all bees. There's honey. There's honey. There's honey. The bees. There's bees. There's bees. Can you see that one? See all those? Those are all bees. Shoot.
Push the stop button.
Stop.